So here are the puppies, all playing at my feet, saying you're being so friendly, but I bet you'll be shy little puppies when the people come. Hello, little boy. Hello. This is the orange little boy, the one playing. This is the little black and silver girl. They're all very excited. They're right under me. This, okay, you gotta hold so silly. This little boy here is the little blue boy, and they're playing with the camera string. That's the little purple. This little girl's the little purple girl. And we've got the pink girl with the butterfly. Yes, and you're so friendly. And then we have the black and silver boy who's dancing all around my feet. And then the solid black girl is right here. Yes, you are. And she's wearing the yellow collar. Hello, little puppies. And as you can see, the little blue black boy, they are all under my feet and rowdy. So we'll see if they show themselves or not. Chewing on my string.